All right, everyone. Welcome to another Python video. We're going to be solving the duplicate finders. We're going to create a function that takes two string inputs and return a single sorted list of characters that are found in each string. And in this video, we're just going to be focusing on some fundamental skills, writing a pretty decent code to actually do this. Okay. So here we go. So I've already set up my function here. We're going to be calling this function called duplicates. It's going to take two arguments, and you want to write a documentation for your function like so. A single string or a single sentence of really basically and simply as possible explaining what the function does. You want a list of all your arguments and determining what they are. Word 1 is a string, word 2 is a string. And we're going to return, well, a list, a lexicographically sorted list of strings. So you should describe what should be returned and what is expected to be returned. Okay, so first and foremost, we're going to handle some scenarios. We're going to say if not word 1 or not word 2. Basically, if any of these arguments are empty, we get to return an empty list, because one or both strings are empty. There can be no duplicates if one of them is empty. If they're both empty, there are no duplicates, so we're going to be returning an empty list. And at this point here, we're going to be working with a what's it called? We're going to be working with one of these words. We're going to look through one of them and then grab that character and see if it exists inside. So we're going to do the following. We're going to say, first and foremost, a set word 2 is equal to the set of word 2. What this is going to do is going to create a set. Creates a set with no duplicates of each individual characters in string 2, a string of word 2. Right? And why set? Because membership operators is more efficient with sets. Right? So since the membership operator, which we need to use, is more efficient with set, we're going to have this word 2 to be a set so that we can run this operator over and over again. So right now we're going to say for character that is found in word 1, we're going to see if that exists in the set of all the individual characters found in word 2. We're going to go if character is in set word 2, then we have found a duplicate, so we must add it to a list. So we're going to say our result list is going to be, this empty list. A list to add all duplicates. Okay, we have that. And now we can write the following. We can say result append. This mutates our given list called result, and we're going to be adding this character to the back of the list. Okay, and our for loop is done. Now we have this one criteria here. We need to return a single sorted list of characters. So we need to say we're going to return a sorted version of our result. And this is going to happen inside our else statement. And whenever you write a function, and if you start with an if clause, you really want each of your if clause or else clause statements to have a return statement. So in this section here, I have a return statement, and this else has a return statement. So no matter what, this function returns a value. And duplicates. So let's see just a nice little run of this. We can say print the duplicates of hello world and goodbye world. Like that. Let's execute our program. All right, and the duplicates were, well, we found that we have a space. We have D, E, and L's occur a lot. The O's occur a lot, the R, and the W. Okay. Now, we can do one of the following. We can also convert our word 1 into a set as well, so that we only look at individual characters. So we can also do that right here, like so. Word 1 is equal to set word 2, word 1. And we can just act upon set underscore word 1. And we will have an output like this, okay? Where we only have single instances of each character whenever these words had multiple characters as the same, okay? But we have wrote a program where it takes two strings and we were able to create a list of characters that occur in both strings, only outputting once, and we were able to do some cool things like using membership on a set on a set data type, okay? Set is a data type that we will learn in the future, but we did talk about at some point that membership operation is the fastest when working with sets. So I want to show you how easy that can be done in a question like this. And as always, thank you for watching and stay classy.